said that she will be accompanying her husband's brother to the scene of the accident tomorrow.
What are they going there to do?
She said they are going there to look for her husband. Mama, my sister is creating more problems for herself and the family.
Look, why did you say that?
Because the dead cannot speak. There's no how the husband will wake up from the dead and tell her to her face that he is truly dead. So, she should stop dreaming and accept her fate.
Udoka, Jane is hurting. Jane is hurting so badly. I am saying that because I understand what she's going through. Because I know how it feels to lose her husband. That was the same way I felt when I lost your father. But mine is fair and different because I saw his corpse. But in her own case, she has not seen her husband's corpse.
I have said this before and I am still saying it again. If Jane wants to look for her husband anywhere in the whole world, let her go on with it. But nobody should call my name again in any case that concerns Jane and her husband. Please, Mama, just allow me to enjoy this meal. Please.
Look, Jane is your only sister. Only sister for that matter. Jane even said, after all through these problems, you've not even gone to see her. Udoka, if you had gone there, it would be treating Jane the way he's doing. Go there and take care of your sister. Jackie, Damaniga, and Moby. Eat food.
Where the boss was started.
Okay, let's go and look for you inside. Let's just go and search.
Jen, let's go now. Jen, let's go. Jen, let's go now. Let's go now. Let's go. I will leave you and go. I will leave you and go. To my brother, I came to find out if these people are back.
Well, they are not yet back, but I have been expecting them.
But it's taking too long.
You know, the place is very far. Let us still wait. I believe they will soon come.
Egwatu.
Yes.
Last night, I was thinking.
Thinking about what?
Mana, wait. Do you think it is proper for us to start the funeral arrangement for Tony's burial without finding his body?
Eh? He's my brother. You see, the problem I have in this house is my wife and the Jofo. They will always want things to go in their own way.
Vero. But you are the man in the house. Whatever decision you take in this house, you must stand by it. Okay, how can you allow Vero or even that little rat Jofo override your decision? After all, Vero is just a mere woman.
Oh, Veronica is a mere woman. Is that so? Just shut up, oh! Just shut up! Advisor General, special advisor. Chai! You can advise for Africa. Oh. So you have been the one deceiving my husband, okay?
Veronica, you are disturbing us.
Oh, please.
What I was trying to say.
Just shut up and leave.
More.
My friend. Get up! Get up! Get up! Get out!
Out of your house!
Veronica! Veronica! You know what you are taking too much. Look, you are taking too much.
Taking with too much.
Taking too much.
I'm not doing it when you see like a lizard.
Look, if you chase everybody out of this house, who visits this house again?
I don't want any bad person.
Oh, you don't want any bad person?
Yes, I don't want.
You are very good.
Yes.
Good woman.
And
get inside.
Don't control me like that. Or what is that? If you say it again, I won't go inside.
Commander-in-Chief.
Nonsense.
Please get inside.
You don't even have a mind of your own. Nonsense. If I see that man here again, I will beat him up. Tell him not to come home.
Just go and carry machine gun and shoot him when he sees him.
Okay now.
I was at the accident scene yesterday with Ejiofor. We searched everywhere, but we could not find anything.
You told me you had a meeting with them last night. What was their conclusion over the whole matter? Are they still going ahead with the funeral arrangement?
Yes, but I told them I am never going to be part of it until I see an evidence that my husband is dead.
Jane, you made a very big mistake in the first place. Yes. Allowing only that young man, Ejiofor, to visit the mortuary. That was a very big mistake.
I don't understand.
Who knows if Ejiofor is hiding something from you or any of the family members? Who knows if he's hiding something from you? Anyways, it's not too late. I think the both of us, we have to visit that mortuary and make fresh inquiries. That's necessary.
I think that's a nice idea. But thank you so much. You're a true friend indeed.
It's okay, my dear.
My God.
Don't
bless you. I'll talk to you.
I'll see you. We'll talk through phone.
No problems. Bye.
Take care.
Mr. Made, you know why I'm disposing these animals. I need the money for my brother's burial. The person that gave me your contact gave me assurance that he will buy all. Because
if I'm not ready to buy these cows, I'll not be here. I mean, yes, it's money waiting for you. I don't want us to be bargaining this up and down. Okay, I will ask 500,000 naira for you, for what I priced before. I have the check to buy for you now, unless you prefer cash.
Okay, Mr. Made, I prefer cash.
Then let's proceed to the plan. After we have signed the agreement, I'll just shoot cash.
Okay.
When you start it, then you take the gear to drive. Then you release your leg. Yes, this one, take it to D. Then release your leg gently. And you move gently. This is the way. Make sure your two hands are holding firmly the steering like this. You have to be strong on it because this is what controls the vehicle. You have to be strong and focused. Look front, don't look side or left. Just look forward. And make sure to look at the rear mirror and your side mirror to make sure you are knowing how the cars coming behind you are moving. It's very important.
It's easy, oh.
Who said it's easy?
Come on.
Yes, come and drive it.
Okay.
Come on, move it. Let me see. Remember what I told you? Start it with your leg on the brake, remember?
Just start it.
Yes. Good. Then you now take the gear to drive. The gear. Yeah. Then you release your leg gently. Just allow it to roll. Let it roll. Yeah, roll. Easy. Easy.
Help my leg on the brake.
No, not leg. Yeah. Put on the throttle. Accelerate a little. Yeah. Keep your hand steady on the steering. Hold it very tight. Yes, then move.
Like this.
Move. No, it's easy.
Okay, let me.
Yeah. Oh God. Easy. Okay, let's go gently again. Gently. Watch your front to make sure your eye is always in front of you.
Yeah, I'm driving.
Ooh, yeah, you're getting it, you see?
The car is
going. No, go this way.
Let me hold it.
Oh my God, this way. Okay, move, this way. Yeah, gently, watch your side. Yeah, okay, keep it steady on this route. Move, yeah, move, good, move, focus, move, more on this side, move.
I want to start driving speed like
No, you can't start driving speed at this stage, please. You want us to throw us both into the bush?
No, please.
Fine.
Let me keep it when I will fall down.
I think I cannot lift you.
You
I can
cannot.
lift people double your size. Why are you laughing now? Eh?
Oh my God.
Let me try.
No. I'm feeling dizzy.
Dizzy? Sorry, dear. Sit.
Oh.
Sit. Oh. I love you, baby. You know that, right?
I love you too.
What is it again?
I just remembered something.
What could that be?
I'm bothered about my childlessness.
Is that all?
But why are you sounding as if you're not bothered?
I shouldn't be, and you actually should not be. I keep telling you, honey, listen. God's time is the best. In His time, He will give us not just a child, but children. So get over it and believe we'll have our own children, okay? Now smile for me.
Come here.
Honey, what is it? I heard your voice.
I hit my leg on the table.
Sorry, darling. Did you enjoy yourself?
How do you know?
Sorry about that. Okay, let me get some balm.
I was going to check my seat. Let me go and check.
No, don't worry. I'll check it. Just be here, okay? Let me get some balm.
They said we are going to the village tomorrow for your funeral. Oh my God. To mourn you when you are still alive. Why should I go to the village with them? Why? Why? God, please save me. God, I know my husband is not dead. I can't mourn him when he is still alive. God. God help me. Baby. To do my husband's funeral when there is no evidence to prove that he is dead. See, Pat, I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
Jane, I understand how you feel about the whole thing. But if they insist you travel with them to the village, do not resist. Just pray over it.
No way. Pat, I can't mourn my husband while he is still alive. I can't do that. And that's why I can't go to the village with them.
Jane, you have to travel with them. Because of what people might say. That reminds me. When was the last time you visited your husband's cow ranch?
Why did you ask?
I wasn't happy with what I saw on my way to the office.
How do you mean?
Jane, on my way this morning to the office, I stopped by and made inquiries. I noticed the whole cows was being moved out from the ranch. And I was told your husband's younger brother was the one who sold everything to a cow dealer.
What?
Yes.
My husband's brother did what? Wait, Pat. Ejiofor sold my husband's cows without my consent. No, I won't take this.
Jane, calm your nerves.
Pat,
calm your nerves.
But I am going to arrest that idiot. And he must bring back everything. Everything.
I know. Jane.
Whose car is this?
That is my new car.
Your car? Jesus!
Land Rover. Second to Range Rover.
Hey! Hey!
Very soon, I will buy Range Rover. After this one, Range Rover.
Where's your father? Get off my husband! Where's your father?
Oh, call him. What's happening here?
My life has changed though. I have moved on to another level.
Who owns this?
He's your son, no? His car.
This car must be expensive.
Of course, oh yeah.
Hey, Jofo, where did you get the money to buy this car?
What is that supposed to mean?
I mean what I have said.
Other people that buy this kind of cars, every face say we take go.
Veronica, haven't I ever called you? Look, let me warn you, what goes up must always come down.
You won't?
Nonsense.
Dad, did you ask your dead
Shut up your mouth! Nonsense.
See, Mom, I don't want to be angry.
You don't have to.
Oh no, I don't want to be woke. No,
It's a happy day now. I want to dance. It's not going to
selfie, Mom.
Thank him.
Okay.
Thank him, Mom.
Takam.
Oh dear. Till me. Okay. Chai. Oh my God.
Hello? Hello, babe. Where are you now? Come now. Come, I'm still waiting for you. Oh yeah, wait, don't worry, come. I have a big surprise for you. Huh? Okay, please.
Good night. I can make you open this gate. Why does that come in like that now? Hey, madam. Hey, you them mad. I'm not going to come in. That's the idiot.
I'll call you back.
That's the fool. Arrest him. Yes, the one arrest him. I don't say arrest this guy.
Hold on. This is my house. I want to arrest him. Mom! Hold on.
Hey! What is going on here?
Mom!
Eh?
Can you imagine?
What is happening?
Jane came in here with 2 policemen to arrest me.
Jane, this foolish son of yours, this idiot, I don't even know what to call him, sold my husband's car and ate the money. See, you have to go back and refund the money. Get back my husband's cars. If not, what am I even saying? Who am I even explaining to? Master, please, are you mad? Are you mad?
Officers, please, let's settle this.
Officer! Go with that! Yes! Yes!
I'm going to be one go.
Yes, the other people are that!
You will come.
Nice!
When we got to the police station, he started denying it. Can you imagine that?
That boy is a criminal.
You don't even know the worst part. He came to the police station with a very expensive car.
What?
Where did he get the money to buy the car?
Wait. Are you saying he bought a new car?
A very expensive one. You see all those people? They want to sell my husband's property and share the money. But it won't work for them. I am not going to be alive and watch it happen. It won't happen.
You have to be very careful. Make sure all the papers to your husband's properties are well secured. Because if they lay their hands on them, your order's finished. You've lost everything.
You don't know me anymore.
How?
Everything is intact.
Good.
Everything. I think my phone is ringing.
Oh, okay.
Oh, my husband's friend.
Oh.
Sorry, excuse me. Hello? Yes. Okay. That means I have to get home first before coming. It's okay. I'm coming. Alright, I'm coming. Hey, baby. I have to start going now.
It's alright.
I'll see you when I come back from the village, okay?
It's alright. You have to be careful. please. Me panya gi ofuma. Shine your eyes well.
Don't worry, baby. Trust me.
No problem. Take care of yourself, oh.
Let her just go and come back. She will come and meet me here.
No. It's high time we gave Jane condition in this house. What gave her the guts to lock Ejiofor up in the police cell?
Your father. It is your father. Your father is a backbone. No, but there's no problem. I will cut that her tail.
Look at her. The devil is here.
Where do you think you're going to? My house. My friend, I'm talking to you. Where's my son? I'm talking to you. Leave my way. Onye, leave your way. Go to that police station and bring my son back.
Mama, leave my dress alone.
Did you not hear her?
I'll beat you if you touch me.
Hey! What's happening there?
Where is my son?
What's happening there?
Where is my son?
Do you want to kill her? Leave her
No,
alone.
go. No, go. I'll fight you. I don't want anybody to say I fought my husband.
Mother and child. Two dangerous birds. Casting dangerous nonsense. Come on, leave her alone.
What is this now?
Leave her alone.
What is this? What is this? I'll fight you.
Okay, fight me.
I'll fight
Okay,
you.
fight me.
I'll fight you. I'll fight you.
No, don't let her. Today, you won't pass it.
I had no option. But I know Ejiofor very well. Ejiofor is not someone you handle with soft hands.
Even at that, Joe, I gave you an information and I expected you to confirm first before taking any action. But you didn't.
I need no confirmation about that. Listen, I know these people. I live with those people. I know what they can do. Okay, now see. Ejiofor got a very expensive car this afternoon. With my husband's money. That's why I have to ask first.
Jen, I am not against your decisions on any way. I am not. All I am trying to say is you should take things easy so that you're not going to create more problems for yourself and your family. Okay, look at everything that is happening right now. Do you like it? Even your mother-in-law has totally denied you access into the house.
But you make me laugh. You of all people should know that that house belongs to my husband. And there is no one that can chase me out of it.
I know that. Okay, listen. This is what we are going to do. First thing we are going to go to the police station and bail that idiot. What's that his name? Do you understand? Then everything will be settled at home. This is a family matter. It has to be settled at home.
Who will settle it?
I. Leave everything for me. I'm going to handle everything. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
If you say so. All I want is my husband's money back.
I understand.
There's no problems.
Thank you very much. You said you don't want anything? They have drinks, snacks, food. I think I got.
But I'm fine. I don't feel like taking anything. I'm fine. Just finish up your food. Let's go.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
You mean she has not come home up till now?
She has not. My mom is even waiting for her.
Do you know I saw her in a restaurant where I went to get food for Ejiofor? She was having fun with her husband's friend. And I have this feeling that they are dating.
Chichi, do you know what you're saying?
I am not a kid. The way they were talking to each other gave me the impression that they are dating.
Wait a minute. She's dating my brother's friend. Yet she pretends she loves my brother. Mom must hear this. Mom must hear this.
Mama,
Udoka, I have decided to allow my husband's friend back settle this matter as he requested.
Jane, Ma, I have told you severally to be careful of your husband's people. Remember, you were never in good terms with them when your husband was alive. Let alone now that is no more.
Mama, I've told you not to be using these words. Worse and no more. My husband is not dead.
There she goes again. Where is he since you think that he's still alive? Jane, you better stop compounding issues for yourself.
Udoka, if you are trying to make me a widow, it will not work for you. My God will never allow it happen. My husband is not dead. You hear me?
Can you imagine? Mama, can you imagine what your daughter is saying? Can you imagine?
Udoka, calm down. It is he that wears the shoes, knows where it hurts.
Mama, this is not the matter of he that wears the shoes and he that knows where it pinches. Mama, tell your daughter the truth. Now she has locked up her brother-in-law, compounding problems, creating more problems for herself.
Udoka, let it be. It is none of your business. Let it be. I am fighting for my husband's rights. I was duly married to him, so I know what I am fighting for. Let it be. Leave me alone.
Then fight for your right then. Let nobody call me in any case that concerns your husband, whether he's dead or alive.
Udoka, go. I don't even need your help. Mama, leave me alone. What is it? This time I bring my problem to this house. Udoka will not want to listen to me. What is it? He's only after me going to bring my property back to this house. If that is his plan, it will not work for him. I'm not going to come back to this house. I am married to my husband and I'll fight for him.
It's alright. Don't say that to your brother. Just calm down. Everything will be alright. Shouting will not solve your problem at this point.
Ashawo kobo, akuna. What were you doing with your husband's best friend in that restaurant? Sebanya. You never knew anybody would see you, right? Akuna.
Veronica, I don't like what you are doing.
How will you like it? Are you not her pillar of support? Her backbone? How will you like it? But let me tell you, you cannot sleep in this house while my son remains in that cell. Or possible.
Daddy, this is not good though. Ejiofor must not spend the night in that police cell again.
Don't you know the gravity of the offense Ejiofor committed?
What did he do? That he sold his own blood brother's cows. Is that the offense? Or the help?
Look at what's coming out of your mouth. Just look at you. That is why you have been spoiling these children. Just look at what you are saying.
Let me spoil them. They are my children. They are my children. But if Fugogi, you will not sleep here while my son remains there. You or the other possible. In a balance.
She will sleep in this house. Look, don't you know, in law, by selling what does not belong to you is an offense.
His own blood brother's cows.
Oh.
You're not sleeping here.
Have a wife, she will sleep here.
Okay.
Nothing will happen to her.
You're not sleeping here.
Legally married.
We are his next of kin.
Take note, her condition is not that kind of way she can make trouble with you.
What stupid condition? Condition on came now before. How many times can I condition now?
Oh.
What's that?
Did anybody trouble you while you're in such condition?
I've finished.
Veronica.
I've said my mind.
Veronica, don't incur the rush of my anger.
How do you?
Don't. Leave this woman alone. Let her be. Huh?
I decided to bring this case home so that you people will settle as one family. You see, Tony wasn't just a good friend to me, he was like a brother. All I want from you people right now is your maximum cooperation. I believe peace will reign after that.
Thank you very much for your peaceful mood. I'm grateful.
Bikono, excuse me. I want to ask a question. Bia, Pat, this fool I know, my son I know, my husband I know. Who are you? Eh? That you're my son's friend does not give you the right to be here. Eh? What are you doing here?
Vero. So you are not even grateful to this young man for making a Jofo come out of police net on hot?
Grateful to who?
To him.
This one? Ah! All that glitters is not gold. You see these two people? Gabos, Kana, Bob. I know them. Everything you're doing, Ejim Deta Ununaka. These ones, you think you can squander my son's money? You think you can do that? Or don't know possible. Unajam go rock. Nonsense.
Mom, now I understand the game Pat is trying to play here. Hanky-panky game. Pat. And you. Yes, I saw those cows, yes. But nothing will make me to give you or anybody the money. And also get ready to tender all Tony's documents after your funeral.
Excuse me. I don't understand what is going on here. I mean, this is an allegation. Sir, how could your wife accuse me of dating my best friend's wife? I don't get it.
Hey, Jidia there. What is an allegation? Can you give accusation? I am not accusing you. Both of you are dating. You have been sleeping with my son's wife.
Jane, I can't take this at all. I mean, I am going to take this matter up. Jane, I'm out of here.
Get out of here. Dikeh, God has exposed you. Zuzulu soli akoba.
Vero.
Go! Vero.
So nobody is good before you. This one is bad, that one is this, that one is this. You had a mouth and face of allegation.
Biko. Slow boy, Biko. Don't have that kind of time.
My daughter, stop crying. You know I don't like seeing people's tears. I forbid it. You told me about all this. I wouldn't have allowed you to go to the station. We would have looked for an alternative way of settling it here. Sorry.
Daddy, Ejiofor might be thinking he is free. No. I will still arrest him until he vomits all the money.
My daughter, don't think I'm happy over what is happening in this house. I don't know, right? But let us come back from the village first. I know what to do. You see, if you continue fighting them like this, they might enjoy you. Your life is very important. You should know that. Let us come back from the village first.
If I don't do anything now, he will eat up all the money before that time.
Let him eat. Let him eat. Tony, your husband, has a lot of properties in this city. So let him eat. First thing first, let us come back from the village first, after the funeral. We'll take care of the situation. It's okay. Come on, stop that. Stop crying. Stop it. No. Sorry. Cheer up.
Egwatu.
Easy.
Your wife, Veru, brought a complaint to us as kinsmen that Tony's wife refused to wear her mourning clothes to mourn her husband. You and I know that it is an abomination in this village. So as kinsmen, we have come here to come and find out the reason for that abominable act.
Yes. You are welcome.
Thank you.
My daughter-in-law is here. She can speak for herself. Jane, you've heard them.
My husbands, I greet you. First of all, let me start by saying I was never part of this arrangement to celebrate my husband's funeral. I can't mourn my husband while he is still alive. If my husband is dead, where is the evidence? Where is it? You see that plantain stem that was buried there? It's not my husband. And it can never be my husband.
Young woman, are you telling us that adequate inquiries were not made for your husband before the funeral?
Oh, Gini kana kodi. This your question is very relevant. The person in question is my son. I carried him in my womb for 9 months. Chianya, Chipotia, I breastfed him. If there's anybody to talk about this thing not being real, it's me. This woman here is a total stranger. Okay, if I say my son is dead, he's dead.
Vero, you were the one that brought this report to us.
Then allow us to treat it.
Okay.
Now you can see people are here to cause more confusion in this family, Abi.
What?
Huh? I can see that she has bribed you all. That is why you find it so difficult to go straight to the point. Tell her the truth.
Ejiofor, withdraw that statement.
I will not. I will not do that. This kind of thing has never happened in this village before. Why now? Why now? Tell her the truth. Call a spade a spade. Tell her the truth. Tell her the gravity of her offense. Tell her.
Ejiofor, I thank you. Dalo, thank you for insulting us.
Nice. You have not solved the problem.
Stay and receive more insults. Let's go. Hi. I'm
sure you must have sold your body to all of them. But you see, you very soon you reap what you have sold.
Have it in mind that your days are numbered in this house.
Wow.
Get ready to go back to your father's house as soon as you get back to the city. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
Jane! Don't worry yourself. You have no case to answer. Go inside.
Hey!
Go inside.
Come and carry this too. Nine. Get ready to clear this place.
I said you said go inside.
Monya?
You should get inside.
Ejiofor is planning our wedding to be next month ending. I can't wait for that day. At least by then, that stupid Jane must have left this house. Are you sure she will accept to go? Before? She doesn't have any option. She has no child for my brother. She doesn't have any business in this house. Oh. If she refuses to leave, we will force her out of this house. She must leave. Must!
Love it. What do you think you're doing?
What do you think I'm doing?
Hey!
What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing?
Wash my clothes again. You see what I was doing?
Wash my clothes again. You're looking for my trouble.
Hey, Ejiofor! I don't know why she's beating your sister. Ask her.
And if I don't touch me,
Ejiofor, beat her.
And if I don't touch me,
Jane, my daughter-in-law, it's a pity that you are passing through this difficult time in this family. I urge you not to discourage. I will always pray fervently for my wife to have a change of heart for all these mistakes she has been making. Please, my daughter, just hold yourself together.
Papa, I appreciate your concern towards me in this house.
You're welcome.
You've always been there to console me. God bless you.
Thank you. As a father, I will always continue to encourage you. You're welcome. You can go inside and rest. Just go inside and rest. Tony, my son, your wife wouldn't have been in this condition if you had not embarked on that trip that claimed your life. You were her best friends, and that is why it is difficult for her to believe that you are gone.
Wicked man. Itobolugonu. Itobolugonu. You see you, for your wickedness towards my children and I, your soul will never rest in peace. Nenenu, all the wealth you have accumulated, it belongs to my children and I now. Ozu. Look at you. Idiot.
Now listen to me. I reject you in the name of Jesus. You are not my husband's grave, and you can never be. My husband is not dead, and he will never die young. Did you hear me? He will never die young. I reject everything my mother-in-law has said concerning this grave. It will never work because you are not my husband's grave. I reject you in the name of Jesus. I reject you in the name of Jesus. I reject you. I reject you. You are not my husband. Nonsense.
Mom, when are we going back to the city?
I don't know. I'm waiting for your father to say something. He has not said anything.
I'm tired of staying here.
Same here. I'm tired too.
Mama, I heard everything you said on that grief. Mama, how could you? How could you hate your own son so much? How? Now let me tell you something. You see everything you said on that grave? It can never work. It will never be effective because that grave is not my husband's grave. Did you hear me? It will never work.
Come on, get out of here. Say my poison. Ashawo kobo.
Mama Sio, you've called me this name enough. Enough is enough. Don't ever call me this name again, no. If not,
how dare you? How dare you point your filthy finger on me? Are you mad? Eh? Ashawo kobo.
Ashawo peanut. Ashawo peanut. Agini.
I'm not keeping Ashawo.
Hey. Now you are Ashawo.
Hey. Look at this girl.
Ashawo peanut. What is wrong with this girl?
Can you imagine this girl? My mom Ashawo.
Eze, I called you here to inform you that we will be going back to the city a day after tomorrow.
So soon?
What are we doing in the village? Let us go back. And also I thank you very much for your cooperation, despite my wife's uncooperative attitude during the burial.
That's no problem. A woman will always be a woman.
What do I say?
But my happiness is that everything went on smoothly. And I'm sure that Tony will not be disappointed wherever his spirit is. I
should think so.
We thank God for everything.
Izzy, you see, I have a problem. My daughter-in-law still believes that the husband is still alive. She's always worried about it. I don't know what else to tell her.
She will get used to it. You know, everything comes like a shock. She will get used to it.
That's true.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah? What is wrong with that?
Jane, are you alright? Are you alright?
Ndo.
Hey. Have you taken any drug? Huh?
Ndo.
Huh? Don't worry. Just go and rest. I will use some drug very soon. Ndo. Just go and rest. Huh? Just go and rest. I'll get some drug very soon.
Don't worry. I'll call my doctor and he'll prescribe drug for me.
Oh, you call your doctor?
Yes.
Before doctor comes, no. Eh? You not of my but go and lie down first.
Just go and rest, eh?
Ndo.
Hey. This must be stress.
Stress. Women are not used to stress. A man's life is stressful. As you were saying.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
I can see you all right now, eh?
Yes, sir. That's why I'm going to the market to pick some things I'll be traveling back with. Sorry, sir, where are you going?
I want to get to town.
Alright, sir, come, let me drop you.
Hello, is the woman.
nkemo ibulu love gibia imeto makanobi mwefu ginanya isina nyibofu muna gigebi ijebera posomo oburo kanisipu obi mekwero mba obi mekwero afugo mi fenine mana obi mekwero kedu kisi jewalu isiramu bye bye asini rapugomo mana obi mekwero obi mekwero obi mekwero afugo mi fenine mana obi mekwero kedu kisi jewalu isiramu bye bye uwe kwego ni rapugomo mana obi mekwero obi mekwero obi mekwero.
Thank you very much for those things. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. It's nothing.
Come in, let's go so you have something to eat.
No, I am sorry. I won't be able to come in at this time. But do make sure to send my regards to your mom, okay?
Okay.
I love you, you know.
I love you too.
Come here.
Alright.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Jane. Jane! Open this door now. Do you want my hand to break before you open the door? Eh? Give me the key I asked for this afternoon. Why is she just moping at me as if I'm speaking Latin? The key to my son's shop.
Mama, you have not told me why you want the key. I can't give you the key. The shop is mine.
Wait though, which shop is yours? My son's shop? Because give me the key.
Mama, I'm sorry. I can't release the key to you. Listen, if you need anything from that shop, let me know. I will take you there, then you pick anything you want, and I will lock the shop. The shop is mine.
Now my son's property. What? Hey.
Mama, I was about to sleep before you started banging on this door. Please, I want to sleep.
Meaning?
You heard me. I said I want to sleep.
This time around, I am ready. I am ready for you. If for that key, that key. You must give me that key. If not,
my own key, I should give it to you. You're not serious.
Why was she demanding for the key to the shop?
I don't know. She did not tell me. Maybe she wants to dispose all the goods there, like her foolish son did to my husband's cows.
Well, your mother-in-law has no right over that shop. And I would advise you not to give her the key, or anyone else.
But I'm not ready to do that. Even my father-in-law is seriously against it.
It's not proper. It's not.
Right. These are the documents to my husband's remaining property. I would like you to keep them for me. Because they are no longer safe in my hands.
It's okay. I'll keep them. But another thing you must do is to hand over your husband's properties to a lawyer. That will make them be in a safe hands.
Do you know of any lawyer?
Of course I do, and he's a very nice man.
Okay. I'll call you tomorrow. Let's go and see him.
All right.
I need to start going now.
No problems.
Thank you very much.
All right. Have a blissful day.
My in-law, welcome home. I have come to warn you concerning your daughter. I told her to give me the key to my son's shop, but she refused. They had to stay away from my son's property.
My in-law.
Oh, I've not finished! Call your daughter to order. She might not like what I'll do to her if she refuses to give me that key at the end of the day. She will not like it.
My mom is talking about the key to the shop. But that's not the way I'm saying it. Tell your daughter to leave my house. Go.
Oh, I'll kill her! I'll kill her! I'll kill her!
Mom, not forever.
I said it. It's happening now, Mama. I said it!
What kind of thing is this? Hey, Chineke. You're still sleeping. Mama. Good morning. He said good morning. Okay, get up. We are going to the shop this morning. What kind of stupid question is that? Were you not the one that said that you'd rather take me to that shop than giving me the keys? Go and freshen up and take me to that shop. I'll be waiting for you in the living room. Don't waste my time, Ogadero. What kind of education is this morning? What does she want from me?
Vero, what exactly are you going to that shop to do?
What kind of question is that one? Is that not my son's shop? Is it a crime to go to my son's shop?
I have not said so. But you're always conscious going there. And I don't know if you forgot anything in that shop.
Must I forget something there to go to my son's shop? What is your problem? Huh?
Your son's shop. You know, your son has a wife. And the right to that shop belongs to Jane and not you.
Jane? Who is Jane? Who is wife? The one that has a child for her husband or not? Barren woman.
Whether Jane has child or children for Tony, she is the owner of that shop and she is Tony's wife.
Well, I need to go and finish dressing up. I don't have time for all these arguments, please. Excuse me.
Vero, where will you change? Where will you change?
Hey! I knew it. I suspected it. So Jane, you have been selling all the goods in my son's shop, okay? Eh?
Mama, what's the meaning of that? See, listen. If you know what brought you to this shop, quickly do it and leave. I have somewhere to go.
Now, what no defense mechanism? You don't want to answer my question. Okay now. Criminal.
Mama, you're calling me names.
Yes, so.
Please come and leave. I need to lock this shop now.
Not going anywhere. You can go.
Mama, come and let me lock my shop.
You think you're wise, okay? Now you have seen who is wiser. Well, I have come to possess my possession. I have come to take what rightfully belongs to me. Okay, can I cut?
So you think you can trick me, isn't it? No problems. Here. That's the padlock of this shop. Whenever you're done with what brought you here, lock my shop. I have the keys.
You think you're smart up here? You don't even know that there are so many ways to kill a rat.
Well, I've seen all the documents.
Barrister Dan, please do all you can to assist her. Jane here is my best friend's wife, and her in-laws have been intimidating her ever since. And they have also tried to take all her husband's belongings.
That is very unfair.
Very, very. And give her all the needed legal backing to secure all those properties.
Well, I've heard you. I'll visit the 2 buildings tomorrow and then commence with the processes involved.
Thank you very much, sir. Padre has told me everything both of you discuss. And I promise to give you all the maximum cooperation.
That won't be a problem. Like I said, I will commence with the preparation of all the documents. And so when you both come by tomorrow, you will endorse on them. Alright?
Thank you very much, Barrister Dan.
You're welcome.
I'm so grateful.
Okay.
I think we have to take our leave now.
Alright.
I'll see you. Thank you.
Jane, excuse me. I forgot to ask. How did you settle the cow issue with EZEJA?
I have decided to let it be. I know that my God is watching. So let him be the judge.
Jane, I know we are all going to be judged soon. But we must fight for our rights. Do you understand?
I know. I've decided to let it be. All I am interested in is to secure my husband's 2 houses. His 1 land and his other shop. I'm okay with those ones. Let them just eat the money. Let them eat everything they have collected, please. Let them take it.
I understand. In God we trust. It's okay.
My daughter, please calm down. Calm down. Just calm down. Stop crying.
I've taken enough insult in this house. Or is it because I'm keeping quiet? First, Ejiofor sold my husband's cows and ate the money. Yet, they won't let me be. What have I done to them?
Look, I understand every bit of thing that's happening in this house. Right? But I will urge you not to make trouble with Veronica. Even though she wants to take that shop, let her take. Let her have it. What is yours will always be yours. Don't worry, my daughter.
Daddy, I've tolerated a lot in this house. One day, they'll chase me out of this house. And you will tell me to calm down.
Look, nobody, I repeat again, nobody will ever drive you out of this house. Unless I'm dead. You are an integral member of this house. So nobody can do that.
God, what have I done to deserve this? Why is my own case different? My friends are in their husbands' houses, enjoying their marriage. Why can't I enjoy mine?
Jane.
What is my offense?
You are there again. You are embarrassing me with your tears. I hate seeing tears. You know it. Hmm? Things will be okay. Hmm? Please. Hold yourself. It's
Where do you think you're going with this car? I don't understand. What's the meaning of that?
Asomolati, what do you mean you don't understand? My friend, give me this.
Mama, if you touch me, see, I've expected you enough in this house. If you touch me,
I'm okay now, Balumba. Here we are, Majam. Come on, give me this. See. No, but I'm not there. Hey! No. She left with the key. Nah, this girl will be up.
Why is she not picking her calls?
Jen, open this door. Jen!
Hello, Pat.
Open this door. Jen, I said open this door.
Hello, Pat.
Don't take it up.
Jane, can you hear me?
Yes. Listen. I want you to come over to my office right now. There is an emergency.
Open this door!
Pat, I'm so sorry. I can't come to the office now. I'm in a very big problem.
Jane, I want you to come over right now, immediately, please.
I'm so sorry. I can't come to the office now.
What is the problem again?
They wanted to collect the remaining car key from me. I refused. As a result of that, I enjoyed the job for. Please, Pat. Just meet the barrister and sort out everything with him, please.
See, listen to me, Jane. We can't do anything in your absence, okay? We can't do anything in your absence. You must come right away, like right now. Do you understand? All right. Do you want me to come over?
No. Okay, don't worry. I'll call you very soon. Just wait.
All right. Just be careful, okay?
Okay, thank you.
This whole thing is becoming so dramatic.
Officers, Sergeant, if she insists, shoot her out. This is my house, I have money. Go! Take her money yourself! What's going on here?
Where are they taking her to?
To the police station.
For what?
She wanted to kill my son.
Age of four. This woman is still grieving over her husband's disappearance.
Disappearance or death.
Don't mind me. Officer, open the car.
Take that!
Sergeant.
Sir!
Oh yeah. Come on, guys.
Move. Take her! Officer! Take her!
Don't worry! Madam, look at me very well. I know you're not going to get another policeman. If you don't want to, you're not going to get
Close my gate. Close it. Nonsense. Go digger.
Veronica, what you are doing to this young woman? Because she's somebody's daughter, just like your daughter.
Any other sermon?
Go ahead. Give
Let's
her.
look at it, close that gate.
I was shocked to see a barrister friend of mine in one of those houses. And he told me that the deceased brother handed everything over to him. I tried to explain the situation of things to him, but he wouldn't listen.
Did you tell him about the properties documents in your care?
How could I? He could not even give me an audience to explain the situation of this to him. Nonetheless, even if he had, he would think I'm trying to take the job from him indirectly.
Okay, so what about the piece of land?
It has been sold. I made my investigation and I find out that the same young man sold the piece of land to a philanthropist.
This is very bad. It is very, very bad. So, barrister, what are we going to do now?
Well, The only thing left to do is to put an injunction. But first I will need to speak to Jane. Please, can you call her to find out the situation of things at the house?
Sure.
Okay.
All right.
She's not picking. She's not picking.
This is not good.
At all. I think something has gone wrong. Barrister Dan, I need to go over to our house to know the situation of things.
Alright.
I'll get back to you.
Take care.
Alright. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
So, I came to see your daughter-in-law, Jane. Where is she?
Oh, she's not at home right now. She has some problem with Jofo, and he got her arrested.
What? You mean your son Ejiofor got Jane arrested? For what?
Maybe over to this property.
What are you in my house? Yeah.
Are you happy for mine?
So Jenny called you to come and rescue Abby?
Ejiofor, what's wrong with you?
I leave my house.
My friend, you must be
Ejiofor.
very stupid.
Leave my house.
Which house?
Leave my house!
Which house are you
Leave my
talking
house!
about?
Let me walk home! I'm going to walk. Leave my house!
I said, get out of this place!
Work for me!
Get out from this place!
Work for me! Leave my house!
Get out of this place! Sir, listen. If your son steps on my nerves, I will make sure he spends his miserable life in jail. I will make sure he spends the rest of his miserable life in jail. You're stupid.
Leave my house! Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! Leave my house! Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! You want me to go? Leave me! I'm going down! Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! What's that? Mama, please be fast and tell me whatever you want to tell me. Let me go and sleep. I'm feeling sleepy.
Why are you always agitated? Anytime I want to discuss something with you.
Because your discussions is always about Jane and the problems she's having with her husband's people. And I am sick and tired of hearing those discussions since she doesn't want to listen to me and come back home. Mama.
If you were Jane, you will even do worse. Or do same like she's not doing now. Tony's friend was here in the afternoon. He said that Jane was locked at the police station because of the quarrel she had with Ejiofor.
I said it. Mama, I said it. Hey. So, what happened?
They said that when they went to bail her, the IPO in charge of the case is nowhere to be found.
Seriously, Mama, there's nothing I can do about this case now. I am feeling sleepy. I want to sleep. Good night, Mama.
Udoka, Jane is your only sister. You should care about her well-being. Not this laxical way you're thinking everything.
Mama, let me go and sleep.
What are you doing here?
Please, I'm here to see Jane. Is she in?
You're here to see Jane?
Yes,
all right. Let me check if she's around.
thank you, ma.
You're welcome, eh?
Thank you, ma.
You can actually sit here and feel comfortable.
I'm okay, ma. Thank you.
All right.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma.
Everybody, you are here.
Yes, sir.
You came to see your friend?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, have they sent for her?
Yes, sir.
That's very good.
should I do now?
Oh, you're still asking me? You're still asking me that? Eh? You're still asking me? Fool.
Veronica, what is the meaning of this?
What do you mean? Eh?
What do you mean?
She is one of the people that have been misleading Jane. Let me see you anywhere around my house again, and I will kill you.
Veronica, this is too bad of you. Too callous of you. Why? Look, let me tell you, I'm highly disappointed in you. I'm disappointed.
As if I care. If you are disappointed, I am depressed. Nonsense. Let me catch you here again. If I don't kill you, know that I'm not Veronica. Go.
I actually came in from the capital city last night. Your husband sent me to you.
What? My husband?
Tony?
Yes. Please, where is he? We've been looking for him.
He has been in the police net all this while.
Police?